Hello.
Hello,
What is your name?
my name is Pragya Priyadarshini Janan.
Oh, where are you from?
I am from Dhamara, Bhadrak.
How do you do?
I am absolutely good.
What about your father?
My father is a farmer.
What about your mother?
My mother is a homemaker.
What about you?
I am a student now and now I am pursuing B.Ed under Nagarjuna University.
What about your family?
I have joint family. There are 5 members in my family. My father, my mother, me and my brother and my grandmother. And my father is the head of my family.
What is your life goal?
I want to become a government teacher.
What do you want to do in next 5 years?
Yes, I want to see me as a government high school teacher in between these 5 years.
Where should we hire you for this job?
Yes, you hire me for this job because I have enough education that you expect from a from your employee, and I have good posture, good gesture, good behavior, and I am a hardworking girl, and I have good righteousness. This is the reason you have select me, and or you are hire me in this job.
What are your strength?
Loyalty, punctuality, dedication, hard work, and these are the strength.
What are your weakness?
Little bit of shyness and sameness are my weakness.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are daily watching news, learning some new skills, and singing are my hobbies.
Are you proud of yourself that you are an Indian?
Yeah, obviously, it is a very good question for me. India is the land of Lord Sai Ram, Lord Krishna, and Lord Ram. Our ancestors says that whatever nothing in India, that is nothing in the whole world. India is the land which is secular country and democratic country, and I am proud of myself. I am a Indian girl.
Are you proud of yourself that you born in Odisha?
Yeah, obviously. Odia my blood is Odia, my heart is Odia, and my motherland is Odisha. Um, Whatever nothing in Odisha, that is nothing in the whole world. Odisha's tradition, culture, and heritage are totally different from other states. That's why I feel very proud as a Odia girl.
Are you proud of yourself as a Hindu?
Yeah, Hinduism is the one religion that directly comes from Veda, and other religion that comes from Hinduism. And Hindu religion people are always believe truth and non-violence. That's why I feel very proud as a Hindu girl.
Are you proud of yourself as a human?
Yeah, obviously, human have the understanding power that the other animals have don't. Human have talking power, understanding power, and human easily understand what the other person try to want or try to speak that other animals don't.
Are you proud of yourself as an educated person?
Yeah, obviously, I have good righteousness, a good posture, good gesture, and good behavior towards others. And educated, uneducated people have don't. And I know what to do and what to know, not to do. That's why I feel very proud as an educated person.
What do you do on Sunday?
Yes, Sunday is the full of enjoyment, and in this Sunday, I clean my room, watching some movies, and go outside with my friends and learning some new skills on this day.
How do you manage yourself?
Yes, I have some personal income. I do home tuitions, and sometimes I depend upon my father a little bit.
So 20 question था